In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add background music in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, open CapCut and either create a new project or open an existing one where you wish to add music. After adding your desired videos, it's time to insert the audio. Position the white playhead at the start of the video or at the point where you want the music to start. For instance, I want the music to play from the beginning, so I've positioned it accordingly. Ensure no video is selected. If you see a back button on the bottom left, tap on it to view all available tools. Then, select the Audio option. Here, you'll find various music categories such as vlog, pop, beats, travel, R&B, love, and TikTok original sounds. To use a song from your device's music library, click the folder icon next to TikTok. You can then import music from your device. If you can't find the song you want, a workaround is to use the voiceover feature. Play the song on a different computer and record it through CapCut. This method captures the audio from another device directly into your video. I'm going to add music from my device, so I will tap the + to add it. You can also adjust the volume, apply fades, make splits, and add other effects. To adjust the song's duration, use the split function and delete the unwanted portion, leaving the music to play for a specific part of the video. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video.